Hello everyone and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is based on the topic list of bills passed by the parliament in 2019-20. So the first is the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019. The Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2019 was introduced in Rajya Sabha on August 5, 2019 by the Minister of Home Affairs. Second is the Companies Bill 2019, which was introduced on July 25, 2019. Third is the Repealing and Amending Bill 2019. The Repealing and Amending Bill 2019 was introduced in Lok Sabha on July 25, 2019. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Bill 2019, it was introduced by the Minister of Finance on July 24, 2019. Now is the Code on Wages 2019. The Code on Wages 2019 was introduced in Lok Sabha by the Minister of Labour Santosh Gangwar on July 23, 2019. It seeks to regulate wage and bonus payment in all the employments. The National Medical Commission Bill 2019. It was introduced by the Minister of Health and Family Affairs Harshvardhan on July 22, 2019. Whereas the Right to Information Bill 2019 was introduced in Lok Sabha by the Minister of State for Personal Public Grievances and Pensions Jitendra Singh on July 19. The Banning of Unregulated Deposit Schemes Bill 2019. It was introduced by the Minister of Finance Nirmala Sitaram on July 19, 2019. It provides for a mechanism to ban unregulated deposit schemes and protect the interest of depositors and seek to amend fee laws. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Bill 2019. It was introduced by the Minister of Women and Child Development, whereas the Arbitration and Conciliation Bill 2019 was introduced on July 15, 2019 by Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad. The Motor Vehicles Bill 2019. It was introduced on July 15, 2019 by the Minister for Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari. The Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India Bill 2019. The Central Universities Bill 2019. It was introduced by Rakesh Pokhriyal Nishank, Minister of Human Resource Development on July 8, 2019. Then is the Protection of Human Rights Bill 2019, which was introduced by Amit Shah, the Minister of Home Affairs on July 8, 2019. The National Investigation Agency Bill 2019. It was introduced by the Minister for Home Affairs Amit Shah on July 8, 2019. The Unlawful Activities Amendment Bill 2019. It was introduced by the Minister of Home Affairs Amit Shah on July 8, 2019. The bill amends the Unlawful Activities Act 1967. The Consumer Protection Bill 2019. The Consumer Protection Bill 2019, introduced in Lok Sabha by the Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ram Vilas, on July 8. The New Delhi International Arbitration Centre Bill, it was introduced by the Minister of Law on July 3, 2019, that is Ravi Shankar Prasad. The Central Educational Institutions Bill 2019, it replaces an ordinance that was promulgated on March 7, 2019. The Indian Medical Council Bill 2019, it amends the Indian Medical Council Act 1956 and replaces the Indian Medical Council Second Ordinance 2019, which was promulgated on February 21. The Dentist Bill 2019 and the Special Economic Zone Bill 2019, it amends the Special Economic Zones Act 2005 and replaces an ordinance that was promulgated on March 2, 2019. Whereas the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Bill 2019, it amends the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Act of 2014 and replaces an ordinance promulgated on March 1, 2019. The Aadhaar and Other Laws Bill 2019 by Ravi Shankar Prasad on June 24, 2019. Though the Homeopathy Central Council Bill 2019, it was introduced by Shri Prasad Yasho Nayak, Minister of State, Ministry of Ayush on June 21, 2019. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019, it was introduced by the Minister of Law, Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad on June 21, 2019. Last is the Constitution and 24th Amendment. The Constitution Bill 2019 was introduced in Lok Sabha by the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment on January 8, 2019. Thank you for today's presentation. You all must have gained knowledge and hope you all enjoyed.